boneless chicken breast. Lean, nutrient-rich protein source.
Lean protein source. Boneless chicken breasts are an excellent lean source of protein, which helps in building and repairing tissues and supporting muscle growth. Low in fat. Boneless chicken breasts are naturally low in fat, particularly saturated fat. This helps reduce overall fat intake. Rich in B vitamins. Chicken breasts are rich in various B vitamins, including vitamin B3, B6, and B12, which help in energy metabolism, nervous system function, and the production of red blood cells. Mineral content. Boneless chicken breasts contain essential minerals such as phosphorus for bone health and energy metabolism, selenium and zinc for immune function. Weight management. Choosing lean protein sources like chicken breast can support weight management by providing satiety without excessive calorie intake.
Muscle health. The high-quality protein found in boneless chicken breasts provides the amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Workout-friendly. People who do regular resistance training consume chicken breasts to maintain lean muscle mass and support overall muscle health. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe Chef Chili.